Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I am a cartoonist, author of many books on how to draw all sorts of things, including cartoons. And today I'd like to show you how to draw a fun character. We're going to combine the head and body, the torso really, to create a single look. And we're going to just block it out first. He's going to be a skinny guy, and he's going to be a basketball player. And so here is the head area, neck area, torso area, and the shorts. Alright, so like I say, we're going to block it out first. I could do it over again. I think I will do it, not over again, I will do it in pen once I have this. But let's first get the placement. So he's going to have his basketball. Hands back. Now here is the neck. And it goes back, the shoulders go back here, and it comes back in. Here's the chest. Here is his bottom. So let's draw that ball here. Just sketch that in. They have templates for that you can use, by the way. If you need to draw an absolutely perfect circle, you can do that. So let's give him a collar for whatever athletic attire he has. And now, the only thing standing in our way is we need to do his face. Give him a cutout for his arms. We'll give him a big nose. Can anyone figure out why? We're going to point it in the direction of the ball. We are actually being very manipulative. We are going to direct the reader's eye to the action. We're going to show that he's like working on this, so he's going to have a slight smile and kind of a determined look in his eye. Sweatband. Actually, I'd like him to have a small eye. That's kind of a good look. Yeah, I think that's a better look. Some hair in front of his face. Bring the collar up a bit. Here's part of his chest. I'll bring it in here where the rib cage ends, and that's the torso begins. And I think I have to bring those pants up a little bit, although not necessarily. Some people like to wear them like that. And so here we go. A little thicker neck. And I think we're just about ready to go. All right, let us give this a try. Make the head a little bigger. Hold on. Okay, good. All right, here we go. And then I'll erase the pencil afterwards, and we'll see what we have without the scratching. And the hairline down here, we're going to give him that sweatband. A little hair above the sweatband. Bring that jaw up, that jawline, and the neck underneath it. Here's the collar. Shoulder blade, and the back. little elastic band. Here's the bottom. Stripe, the racing stripe. Very important for basketball players. Racing stripe. Let's do this. Blacken that hair. Shoulder, round it off. Straighten the arm. Round the shoulder and the arm. Straight and rounded. That is a nice contrast. Rounded forearm up here, straight down here. Again, more contrast. Make sure you have both arms there. Let's blacken this in, give him a little bit of contrast. Go team. All right, let's erase this. This is aerobic erasing. It's my workout for the day. Okay, hold on a second. Let's soften this a bit back here, just a bit. And let me see, I've got a little gray I'm going to put here. Just so I add a little perspective to it by darkening the back arm. Darken just a little under here, a little under here, over here, and a little accent in the ball. Like this. And we are ready to go. Well, I hope you like that. I have new videos every week, every Monday. Please subscribe, leave a comment. I do read them all, and I respond to all of them. So I look forward to getting your comments and that you will subscribe. You will subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.